Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can upload images as image targets inside a Vuforia database. So these are the 6 images which I'll be uploading inside my Vuforia database. So I'll open them. So the first image is of the aeroplane, the second image is of the book cover, the third one is of the car, fourth image is of the house, fifth one is of the ship image target, and the final image is of the sun image target. Okay, so these are the 6 images which I'll be using for my AR book project. So for uploading these images, I'll open my Vuforia account. Next, I'll click on the Target Manager tab. Now, as I've mentioned inside the AR1 project, if you create a new database, then there is no option to delete it. So that's why instead of creating a new database, I'll reuse this AR1 database, as the AR1 database only contains one image target. So after opening this database, next for adding a new image target, I'll click on Add Target button. After this, I'll click Browse. Now this AR book target folder is on my desktop. Okay, so from the AR book target, I'll first select the aeroplane image. Now this aeroplane image is of the JPEG format and it has a size of 1.2 MB. So I'll click open. So since the aeroplane image had a file size of 1.4 MB, so it is well within the limits of 2 MB and this image is of JPEG format. After this, I'll set the width. So I'll set the width to 1 over here. Next, if you want to rename your image before uploading it, then you can rename your image from here. Now since I've already named the images properly beforehand, so that's why I'm not renaming this aeroplane image over here. So I'll just keep the name to aeroplane, and after this I'll click on Add button to add the aeroplane image as image target. So the aeroplane image target is uploaded, and as you can see it has an augmented star rating of 5 stars, which is great. After this I'll click on Add Target, I'll browse, I'll select the book cover image, I'll click open. Next I'll give this a width of 1 again, and after this I'll click on the Add button to add it. So the book cover image is also added and it also has a star rating of 5 stars. Okay, so I'll go ahead and I'll add the remaining 4 images. So I finished adding the sun, ship, house and the car image target. All of them have 4 augmented star rating, which is good. Next, before downloading this database, I'll rename it from AR1 to AR book database. So for renaming this database, I'll click on Edit Name. After this, I'll give this database a name of AR book database. I'll then hit save. Okay, so we have basically created a totally new database. After renaming the AR book database, next I'll just select these 6 image targets. So if you want to select all the image targets, then you can click on this checkbox neighboring to the target name. And as you do this, all the image targets will be selected. Now, as mentioned few minutes back, since we are just interested in the top 6 image targets, so I'll uncheck the AR1 image target. And after this, for downloading these 6 image targets, I'll click on Download Database button. Now inside this button as well, you can see that the number 6 is highlighted, which means that we have selected these 6 image targets which will be downloading. So I'll click on Download Database. I'll then select Unity Editor. I'll then hit Download. So now in total, our AR book database will contain these 6 images. So the AR book database in the form of a Unity package is downloaded and I've copied it on my desktop. Next, for importing this database, inside my Unity project, I'll just double click on it. Now before importing inside this package, you can see that there are 6 images from aeroplane to the sun image. So next, for importing it, I'll click on the import button. So after importing my AAR book database, I'll end this video over here and I'll see you in the next video, inside which we'll customize a sun image target.